How to fix Honor Magic 7 Do Not Disturb keeps turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off schedule do not disturb. For turning off your schedule do not disturb, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. After clicking on sounds and vibration, you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on it. And here you can turn off your schedule do not disturb. After turning off your schedule do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and open system and updates. Now here you can check your software updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and then click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.